Hey everybody, here we are stuck at home during the COVID-19 crisis in 2020. Alright, still able to get out for essential things, so I take my dog to the dog run over at the Navy Rec Center. Alright, and somebody was throwing away this slider chair. It's like a rocking chair, but a slider chair. I have it upside down right now with a cushion on the bottom because I was doing some work on it. The main problem was this is broken, and it would cost $40 for replacement. That's what I was told. And I told them, hey, we could put a bushing in there and all that. Well, it wouldn't work out. So I put a little tiny bungee cord around there. And when it moves back and forth, the bungee cord stays in place. And over here, a screw was coming out. It's still a little play there, but that's okay. But the piece down here was missing. So I put Gorilla Glue down there, let it dry overnight. I've wiped this down with wipes. And I also used some sticky Velcro. Put it on the bottoms here, okay, so it won't scuff up the hardwood floor. All right, so and I did staple. I used half-inch staples. If you have something like a 1/4 inch, it's probably better. You don't have to hammer them down. But even on your current furniture, if you have something that's coming in contact with hardwood floors, you want to put some kind of the smooth part of the Velcro. It's perfect. All right, let me now I did wash the cushions. And because some of the foam inside spun around, I had to open some up, and I fixed one of the handles too. And wherever there's black thread is where I did the work. So I had to fix some areas, like right here. The pocket was ripped, so I actually fixed all that. And this is really plush, really nice. And even the fabric under there's good. So I'm going to turn this over, put the cushions on, and my wife is absolutely going to love this. And there it is, all clean. I just sat in it. I'm 260 pounds, and there's no way my wife's as heavy as me. There's little pockets on the sides, cushions along the sides of it. There's a pocket right there. I mean, it's all tied up in the back. Don't know how bright it'll be in the back here. All right, it's early morning, the garage is still closed, but it's all tied up in the back, and it's great. I might want to take the ribbons and tie them down lower so they're not sticking out of the top. That's probably how it was before. Can't remember. All right, so hey, this is how you revive your roller chair. You can wash these cushions, all right, but they don't have zippers on them. So you might have to de-thread them, take the cushions out. That might be the best way to do it. If you know how to sew, you can sew them back together. Hey, hit the subscribe and keep watching my videos. You're helping out my service dog. Take care. Bye. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. All right, hit subscribe while you're here. And there's a lot more videos coming. A lot to look at. All right. Peace out.